Today I'll be drawing the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is one of my favorite trees because it's a symbol of Christmas and also because it's very bright and beautiful. I'll start by drawing the composition dots and I'll try to put a Christmas tree in the center of the composition. I'll be using a pencil for that, so we can erase it easily when we need to correct our drawing if we make a mistake. Also, we will erase all the pencil lines before coloring. Due to this, don't push too much when you are drawing with a pencil. Christmas trees have a triangle shape, right? So first, let's draw a big triangle in the center, like this. Just put it a little bit upper from the bottom point. Now, let's make this triangle look more like a Christmas tree. To do this, I will separate it into 3 parts, and on each part I'll draw needles as a zigzag line at the bottom like this. So it will have 3 layers of needles: the top part, the middle part, and the bottom part. Look, it already looks like a Christmas tree. Alright, I need to draw a trunk on the bottom. I'll draw it like this. It's a very stable Christmas tree and I don't want to make it look like it's cut. So I'll draw snow as a curved line under the tree. Awesome! Now let's add some details. My Christmas tree will have cute star eyes and a smile. The eyes will be in the top part, so I'll divide this part into 2 halves by drawing a vertical line. Then, very gently, I'll draw a big circle in each part. Just give a little bit space here and draw big circles. They could be even bigger than the tree. Now, inside these circles, I'll draw stars. First, I'll need to divide each circle into 5 sections. To do this, I'll put 1 point on the top and 2 points on the bottom to form a triangle, and 2 points on each side above the bottom points. In the center between those lines. Next, I connect these points in the following order. Top point I connect with 2 bottom points. The right bottom point I connect with the middle left point. Middle left point I'll connect with the right middle point, and then right middle point I'll connect with the bottom left point. 1 star is done. I'll repeat this process for the second star. And I'll draw the star with the same technique. Wonderful! Isn't it magical that our Christmas tree has star eyes? Now I'll draw 2 contours around the star eyes and 2 small ovals inside the eyes. I'm drawing with the pencil, so I can erase it later. And draw the ovals right here and there. Now I draw a little smile in the middle of the tree. It is so cute. I'll decorate our Christmas tree with fairy lights. First, I'll draw several lines. Let's imagine that they are wires for our lights. The first will be on the top as a crown, the second will be in the middle like this, and the last one on the bottom. Here we go. Beautiful! Finally, let's draw little circles on these wires so our Christmas tree can have truly fairy lights. Wonderful! The contour is ready. Now let's outline it with a marker. Don't worry if marker lines are not always the same as the pencil lines. It's totally fine. My hint to you is do not rush and pause the video when it's required, so we have enough time to do your best. Let's outline our star eyes, ovals inside of them, and Christmas lights with a thin marker. Next, I'll use thick marker to draw the outside contour of the tree, needles, smile, and the trunk gradually moving from top to the bottom of the picture. Also, we can color our Christmas tree star sunglasses with marker like this. Done! Awesome! Our Christmas tree looks so stylish now. Let's allow the marker lines to dry for several seconds. Okay, now I think that we can erase all the pencil lines that we don't need anymore. It's coloring time! Hooray! I'll color fairy lights first. For that, I'll use yellow, pink, and blue colors. It will be a looped sequence of colors for the Christmas lights. Yellow, pink, blue. Yellow, pink, blue, and so on. Then I'll color the wires yellow. Wonderful! The fairy lights are ready. I'll color the sunglasses frame yellow to make them shiny. Now, I'll be very careful and try not to color fairy lights or any other parts of the drawing when I color the tree crown. Try not to rush and enjoy this process, and as always, when you need more time, pause the video. First, I'll color the top part of the Christmas tree crown with light green. For not coloring small parts, I make a contour with coloring pencil first. Wonderful! Then I'll use a bit darker green for the middle part, and I'll use the same technique. Lastly, I'll use the darkest green I have for the bottom part. Done! Looks great, isn't it? Next, I'll color the Christmas tree trunk brown. And I'll add some blue shadows for the snow on the bottom. Don't push too much, just add a hint of a blue color. Great, we've got such a beautiful drawing and had so much fun. Please like and subscribe before checking other tutorials on this channel. See you next time!